Hello friends, welcome to the RM on Study Online. आज हम opposite words पढ़ेंगे. So today we are going to learn opposite words. तो शुरू करते हैं opposite words. Import, export, little, much, in, out, late, early, normal, strange, male, female, boy, girl, old, young, fast, slow, happiness, sadness, alone, together, small, big, soft, hard, begin, end, behind, in front of, best, worst, before, after, alive, dead, agree, disagree, ancient, modern, far, near, opposite, same, foreigner, native, laugh, cry, give, take, less, more, even, odd, light, dark, high, low, hard, easy, huge, tiny. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you so much.